Oh, right. Well, it was recording. Last night we got absolutely blasted. One of the wind just completely hammered the tent, and then it died off, and then we woke up again, covered in dust. It's just dust everywhere. It's all in our eyes, and then rain. You see, it's rained here. It's very much wetter. And look, prove it. Look, rain in the desert. There, look, water. Can't believe it, but the dust is in your eyes and everywhere. Elaine's, what are you doing, Polly Wolly?
Try to sort this underneath out.
Okay.
It's too hard.
Oh, well, back to work.